How to log in to PNC Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. If you're also trying to log in to your PNC Online Banking account, then you're watching the right video because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. To quickly get into the video, open up your web browser, any web browser would do, and search for pncbank.com. In the search bar, search for this and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll land on the website of PNC Bank. Now all you need to do is click on the sign on button that you see on the top right. Once you do, a menu will open up, which is a login box. So here you can type in your user ID and then enter in your password. If you don't remember either your user ID or your password, you can click on this option. And from here you can follow the steps and recover either your password or your username. If you do remember it, you can type it in. Make sure both of these information are correct. And once you do, you can click on the login button that you see on the right. And if the information that you entered is correct, you will be successfully logged in to your PNC Online Banking account. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.